Good afternoon. Let's continue with our analysis. Now, as you can see, Nifty today did not do much of a movement. I mean, it did, but it did not go very high. Neither did it go very low. So it is more of a sideways movement for today that you can see here. Okay. So yeah, this is where the market opened, came down, and then it is playing in a range itself, neither broke the low nor the high. So there's not much. We still are looking for our target of 11,600 first, and once we get there, then we'll see what next. This is not a sign of reversal yet, but so difficult to predict anything with today's movement. The whole idea being that it is still bullish because it is still above its short-term moving average, but just a small candle today. So I'm continuing the upward move. I'm expecting the upward move to continue. Now we'll take a look at Reliance Communication, because one of the traders got in touch yesterday asking for this. So this is definitely not a buy. Now I understand that it has fallen from the price of 800. Right, so sometimes it does look like very lucrative that it has reached 4 rupees. So how much lower can it go? Might as well buy, but it can continue to play at 4 rupees for the next 4 years as well. So remember, this is not a good time to buy just because it is cheap, and there is absolutely no signal for you to buy this stock. Not a single swing being broken. At least here there was a swing broken, and eventually market broke this, but here we don't have any reason for a buy. So if you are holding this today, there was a gap up and it closed up, so you should be actually exiting as soon as possible. You will get a good entry to buy, unless you have a vision of holding for a couple of years and you have a lot of faith in Reliance. Maybe then you could take a chance, but technically there is no reason to buy. So I would say stay away from this and stick to the Nifty 100 stocks, or at least the Nifty 200 stocks, which are doing much better. Okay, now taking a look at Tata Steel, the double top which was there, yeah, so the double top is getting respected. We can see that again market tested that high, but today it came back down. Weekly chart is looking bearish, but obviously it's still a couple of days to go for the week. But we were expecting this to continue its downward trend, and it shows that it might be doing that. Also, if you see this structure, this previous level is quite strong, the resistance, and that same price has been tested now. Okay, here it was tested and breakout, tested here multiple times, and here again it was tested. So I'm expecting this to continue its downward trend now. If you are holding a buy in this, it's time to exit, unless we see a breakout of 533. Okay, now moving to SBI. It has not yet broken the previous high. As if you remember, we had drawn the symmetrical triangle on the weekly chart. Okay, which is still valid. And in terms of the high and the low, it has not yet broken the previous swing high. So it is also at a resistance. We'll have to wait and see whether this 307 high is broken or not. Looks like it is heading towards there, but then it's also a strong resistance. So still, we need to check. I mean, market still has to tell us which side is going. As of now, we are very close to our resistance. Okay, that's all for now. If you guys, like I've been saying every day, if you guys need any analysis on any stocks, please just write the name of the stock in the comments and we will include it in tomorrow's analysis. Right, thank you guys, and see you tomorrow.